Hi everyone, it's Brenda Beattie from Brenda Beattie's Brushstrokes. Today we're going to look at painting mountain scene using a photo reference. This photo is of Upper Arrow Lake in British Columbia. I like to call it Kootenay mountain scene. It's the Kootenay Mountains. This is a reference only. We don't want to replicate it. We don't want to do exactly what it looks like in the photo. Otherwise, why not just print the photo? I start with a drawing and I put a book under the canvas so the canvas doesn't get damaged by the pencil. I then proceed to paint the sky using phthalo blue, ultramarine blue, and white. I use the same mix of colors to paint the water. I use dioxazine purple mixed with the blues for the mountains. And for the greens, I mix some cadmium yellow and Indian yellow into the blues I already have on my palette. So here is the finished landscape. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a try, and you can get the photo reference if you look on my online courses. And this course should be available within 3 or 4 days after I release the video. Happy painting!